In this video, we'll explore 12 unusual signs that could indicate damage to your liver. It's crucial to recognize these signs early because with the right steps, liver disease can often be prevented or even reversed. Your liver is a remarkable organ with the ability to heal itself, but it needs your support. Many people believe liver damage is caused only by excessive alcohol use. While alcohol is a major factor, other causes are often overlooked, such as processed foods and sugary beverages, excessive omega-6 vegetable oils, fast food, overuse of painkillers like acetaminophen and ibuprofen, and viruses like hepatitis. The list goes on. If you want to check for liver issues and learn how to support your liver naturally, stick around. We'll also share simple remedies to help your liver detox and repair. Let's begin with the first sign: light colored stool. Normally, bile from the liver gives stool its typical brown color, but with fatty liver disease or liver damage, bile flow is reduced, leading to pale clay colored stools. Sometimes the stool may even float due to undigested fat. Difficulty with night vision. If you struggle to see in dim light, especially at night, it could signal a vitamin A deficiency. The liver helps you absorb vitamin A, which is essential for your eyes' rod cells. Liver issues interfere with this process, potentially causing night blindness and dry, gritty eyes. Swollen right foot. Poor blood flow from liver damage can cause fluid buildup, especially in the right foot or ankle. If pressing your finger into the swelling leaves a dent, it's a sign of possible liver-related fluid retention. White eyelid growths. Small white or yellowish bumps around your eyelids can be cholesterol deposits resulting from the liver's reduced ability to break down fats properly. Right side rib pressure. Liver damage may lead to thickened bile and blockages, creating discomfort or pressure on the right side of your ribs, especially after meals. This pressure may also affect nearby nerves, causing right shoulder pain. Purple or red skin spots. When liver function declines, fewer proteins are produced for blood clotting. You may bruise more easily or develop rash-like red or purple spots, especially on the legs or arms. Cracked heels. Vitamin B3 or niacin is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. When the liver redirects niacin to heal itself, it can leave your skin dry and cracked, particularly on the heels. Itchy palms or feet. A buildup of bile acids under the skin due to poor filtration by the liver can trigger itching, especially on the palms or soles through a histamine response. 9. White or clubbed nails. Nails that turn completely white or develop a rounded, bulbous shape may indicate significant liver damage. Research has shown that this condition is common in people with advanced liver scarring. 10. Dark urine. When the liver can't break down bilirubin properly, it builds up and exits through the urine. This can cause a dark orange, amber, or cola-like color. Certain medications like antibiotics, sleeping pills, or birth control can worsen this effect. 11. Yellowed skin. Jaundice is a telltale sign of serious liver dysfunction. If your skin or eyes begin to yellow, it's often due to hepatitis, cirrhosis, or drug-induced liver stress. This requires medical attention right away. 12. Spider veins. Tiny red veins resembling spider webs on the skin can result from excess estrogen the liver fails to filter. High estrogen weakens blood vessels, causing visible vein dilation. Now, let's talk about how to reverse liver damage naturally. Liver damage happens in 4 stages. First, fat builds up, then comes inflammation, followed by fibrosis or scar tissue. The final and most dangerous stage is cirrhosis. The good news: the liver can heal and regenerate with the right lifestyle changes. Here's what you can do. 1. Improve your diet. Cut back on sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods, especially products like bread, pasta, soda, candy, and syrupy condiments. These stress the liver much like alcohol does. 2. Add bitter and sulfur-rich foods. Include foods like leafy greens, artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, mushrooms, pasture-raised eggs, wild salmon, oily fish, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. These help boost glutathione, a key antioxidant that reduces liver fat and supports detox. 3. Morning liver drink. Start your day with a cup of organic black coffee and add a teaspoon of turmeric. Both contain compounds that reduce liver scarring and inflammation, especially from alcohol, medications, or fructose. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 1 liter of high quality mineral water daily. For added benefits, squeeze in fresh lemon or lime juice. This supports bile production and helps the liver break down fatty deposits and eliminate toxins. In closing, your liver is a resilient organ. If you spot these warning signs early and take the right steps, you can often stop and even reverse damage. If you've noticed multiple symptoms from this video, be sure to speak to a healthcare provider and consider scheduling a liver ultrasound. Thank you for watching Mind Folio Hub. If you found this video valuable, like, share, and subscribe for more science backed health insights.